What do you say?
Yeah.
All right, guys. You too.
Guess what? I got some lip gloss. That was easy. Huge bag. It's huge.
Let's.
Ooh, what's this? I love the pink bag. I'm gonna put this in
And it
my...
matches your outfit.
Oh, right here. So pretty.
The purple was so unintentional. We did not even plan to wear purple today. Let me get a close up.
Put it right here in this pocket because it's...
Nice.
We got stickers in here.
Let me see the stickers. Ooh.
It's their logo and it's so cute.
Wow, you could put it on your bike or on your skateboard or on your helmet. The helmet, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's so cute.
What do you think?
I love it.